guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. And so today I just want to show you a simple hairstyle that I like to do in the summer, because today's summer, so a happy first day of summer. And I do not like my hair down. That's just something that I don't like. So I just wanted to show you guys what I do with my hair. It's really cute. So these are the stuff that you're going to need. So let's get started, shall we? First thing is you're going to need a spray. Hairspray. I forgot what it's called. Hairspray. So this is what I use. I use Ussie hairspray. And then you're going to use a water spray. This is just a water spray. And then 2 hair ties and another bobby pin. So 2 bobby pins and another 2 bobby pins. So that makes 4 bobby pins that you need, and a brush. So let's get started on the hairstyle. Okay, so this is my hair right now. So I'm just going to just do the divided hair stuff right here. I mean, I don't divide my hair really good because I can't see if it looks good. So I just divide it like this. And the other one, I just put it in a hair tie so it doesn't mix with the other style, like that. So now I'm going to grab my hairspray. I hope you guys can see that. I'm here in my mirror. Okay. And then we're going to spray, comb it really good, and then hairspray it. Okay, and just comb it so it's nice and smooth, like that. And now what we're gonna do is we're going to grab this side and just start twisting it and grabbing more hair as you go. Twist it. And then this is what it looks like, the little twist there. And grab bobby pin and pin the hairstyle in place so it looks something like this. You can do all the way to the back if you want to, or just do it like I did, like that. And then grab your elastic, and what you're going to do is grab the remaining hair, and I'm going to put water here so we can tame the back hairs. Grab the hairspray and make it look cute. So now got everything back, and now with the elastic I'm just going to tie it, and then on the end I'm just going to do a loop and fix my hair that way, like this. But not too high, because I think I did it too high. Hold on. Okay, something like this. You do. I'm not doing it too high, I'm doing it too low. So this is what I do. Now I'm going to repeat the same process I did on this side to this side. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the back. I don't know if the line is good, but I can't see myself. This is what it looks on the side here, and then on the side here as well. Cute hairstyle that I like to do. Now I like to put this, loosen up a little bit like that. And the last thing I do is put some hairspray. That. And then I like to use this hair wax stick so I can tame the flyaways that I have. So I have so many flyaways. It is crazy. Just put this in your hair. Put it on top as well, because on top is the more stuff that you need. Like put the flyaways in place like that. I don't put a lot, because if you put a lot, it's like sticky. And the last thing I like to do is to put this edge wax on my hair. It's the watermelon, just for the little baby hairs. So if you have little baby hairs, this is recommended. This is what it looks like. And it's like sticky. I don't use a lot. And I just rub it in my hand and just play with the edges. Just so I can tame my little hairs that are in the way, like that. Okay. Just like that. Okay. And I got this at the Dollar Tree. So this is the final hairstyle. Let me give you a 360. Like that. And ta-da! So this is the style that I like to do in the summer. Also, you can do this on the side or add a hair piece or whatever you guys want to do. So yeah, super easy, super cute. I love it. And yeah, that's the hairstyle that I'm going to use today. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this hairstyle. Super easy hairstyle, nothing too hard. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos and follow me on my social medias down below. Put them down below and on the description box. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day today. And I will see you guys later. Bye.